I'll show you how to block someone on Facebook. Blocking helps you control your privacy and limit unwanted interactions. Let's get started. Before we get into the steps, here are a few things to understand about blocking someone on Facebook. What happens when you block someone? Once blocked, the person won't be able to see your profile, posts, or send you messages. They'll also be removed from your friends list if you are connected. Blocking is private. Facebook won't notify the person that they've been blocked. Blocking versus unfollowing or unfriending. Blocking is more permanent. If you just want to reduce contact, consider unfollowing or unfriending them instead. With that, let's look at how to block someone on Facebook. Now let's go through the process on the Facebook mobile app. Open the Facebook app. Log into your account if you haven't already. Use the search bar at the top to find the person you want to block and go to their profile. On their profile, tap the three dots to open more options. From the options, tap Block. Confirm the block. You'll see a message explaining what blocking does. Tap Block again to confirm. The person is now blocked and will no longer be able to interact with you on Facebook. And that's it. Now you know how to block someone on Facebook. Blocking is a great way to control your Facebook experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more social media tutorials, and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.